Hey guys, this is a old vintage heater. Got two tubes in there and I'm going to show you, and this thing stinks a little. Here it's on the 750 watt. Put it on high. There it went, and going and heat up. There we go. Let that one heat up a little and turn on the other side. There's that side almost heat up. There we go. Time to turn on another side. There we go. Now we're going to heat it back up too. This thing gets hot. Now the other tube is heating up now. There we go, it's warming up now. This thing is toasty out here now. It's cold originally. I have to unplug it after. 750 to 1500 watts. Over 1,000 watts. There we go. There's both the sides. Now it's time to let it cool down. Man, it doesn't stink that bad anymore. First I turned this on, it stunk. Alright, time to cool down. It's not that stinky. Oh my gosh, look at that cool down. There's the plug on the back. Warm, of course, it's not that warm. Yep, and there's the company. That's 750 and that's 1500. There's the bottom, and the thing gets very hot. Have to let it cool down, and be sure to unplug the plug. Thank you for watching.